Direct replacement. This ignition lock cylinder matches the fit and function of the original equipment assembly on certain vehicle years, makes and models. Secure solution. This cylinder retains the anti-theft functions of the original equipment design on specified vehicles. Easy installation. Replacement is relatively simple and requires no special tools. Trustworthy quality. Backed by team of engineers and inspectors in the United States. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Top reviews from the United States. Great for the buck. This was a great option for my Mustang. It was easy to install and the switch was an easy turn to crank the car up. I highly recommend, especially for the price.